Planning a Japan trip took me 3 weeks of research. I built a tool that does it in 10 minutes. Japan is one of the most complex trips to plan. Which cities? How many days? What to eat if you're vegetarian? How much will it cost? I faced all of this, and I wrote a book about Japan. So, I built the solution. Introducing the Japan Travel Planner, a free interactive web app with 14 tabs covering everything you need for your Japan trip. Start by picking your travel style. Culture lover, foodie, nature, anime fan? Pick your theme and it builds your entire itinerary. 7, 14, or 21 days. The map automatically shows your route, city by city, with all the stops marked. Here's the feature I'm most proud of. A complete food guide with a vegetarian and vegan filter, because finding veg food in Japan is genuinely hard. It even links to HappyCow Vegewel. 13 city guides: Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, Hiroshima, Kanazawa, and more. Everything you need to know about each city in one place. Smart budget calculator. It auto-updates in your local currency. India, USA, UK, Europe, Australia, all supported. A shopping checklist with 50+ must-buy items from Japan. Kit Kat flavors, Hada Labo, Uniqlo exclusives. Tick them off as you shop. I'm Krishna, an engineer from Bangalore who visited Japan and wrote a travel memoir about it in English called 1,000 Trains to Somewhere. Every recommendation in this planner is real and tested. It works for travelers from anywhere in the world. Select your home country, and it shows you the right credit cards, currency, and travel tips for your region. Try it completely free. Link in my bio. The free version gives you a full taste,